Ooh, man, this beat is nice. I like this beat. Wait till you hear the words that go to the beat. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Well, you hit that like, you hit the subscribe. We come to you live talking about this crazy crypto space. And just been sitting back, fooling around. I'm in a good mood. 30,600 Bitcoin. Talking about some gains. And then if you paid attention, well, there's just a product out here right now. I want to wake you up this morning. If you're still sleeping and it's only almost 10 o'clock Eastern time, you should not be sleeping. Hit that like button. Talking about a little bit of resistance, but a break out of this pattern. We're talking about Polygon Matic this morning. And really, what's up, guys? 30,000 Bitcoin. Listen to this. It just sounds funny to me.
Yeah, 30,000 Bitcoin. Tonight we eating tenderloin.
Oh, yeah.
30,000 Bitcoin. Yeah, tonight we eating tenderloin. Yeah, 30,000 Bitcoin. Tonight we eating tenderloin. 30,000 Bitcoin. Yeah, tonight we eating tenderloin.
30,000 Bitcoin. Wall Street Pete, how's everyone doing this morning? Hope you enjoy the show, waking up to Wall Street Pete, or maybe just watching at the end of the day. This crazy gentleman used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Every day going to work, crazy, loving the New York limelight. That was amazing, that place. Manhattan was a beautiful place. But come over, hit the bell, hit the all notification. One more subscriber for the 1.53 all-time high subscribers. Appreciate it very much. And total crypto market cap, 1.16. Been a long time since we've seen that. Matter of fact, it's been a long time, more often to say, well, when was the last time we were above 30,000? So I just want people to know it's very important time right now. The altcoins are heating up. I do apologize. I was trying to get into there, but nobody has hit the like button yet. So we do need a like button there. So please, someone hit that like button for me. Lyric, I was just thinking about you specifically because you asked about the nighttime videos, and I do want to start doing some nighttime videos. That has to be done pretty soon. More importantly, we're going to have to get more active. You can see what's happening in the market right now. We're getting resistance, and this was the exact prediction that Wall Street Pete made. I didn't say exactly as predicted. I said the exact prediction we made. So we said we were going to come into this range here. Most likely this could be the top, or this could be the top of resistance. Well, we're right dead smack in the middle, so we did get a medium there. But I'm looking at the resistance here coming in, and Bitcoin, it's very important to talk about this. Good morning, Lyric, again. Thank you for your comment. Please don't forget to hit the like button. But I do think if we get this move we will get resistance at 31.5, come down, maybe get to 29,200, all the way to 28.5. That will be the pullback. Now, I'm not your financial advisor, but pay attention to that type of move. Finally, testing a few more times, breaking this resistance that we could not break. So this is what is expected. As you can tell, though, the Bitcoin dominance has been rising. We've been talking about that over and over. Right now, good buys here on the bottom. Good time. Especially for the altcoins, just getting a little bit of a correction here. You can see before the daily candle, we've been getting a nice rise. And Polygon Matic, if you're a Polygon Matic freak like I just went over in the last video, talking about a 20% gain on your money in the last 3 days. What has made 20% gain on your money? I don't know much. Now, we could have went a lot higher and I could have kept going, but we did see the resistance immediately. So we're not going to talk about something that doesn't exist. But in realistically, retrospect, you could be selling at these type of prices. It was hitting resistance. You could see where it came. It came back support, and as the daily shows. So if you have time, can you check ICP? Absolutely. A matter of fact, just because you asked, we'll do it right now. But a lot of people started subscribing to the channel. Why? Well, because there was a $100 offer that's happening in November. So remember, we still have one more full week. It's 10/23. It's Monday. My next speaker of Monday. If you're having a rough day and it's Monday, I get it. A lot of people don't put your ass back in bed and put on a good song. Maybe put your AirPods in. And if you don't have AirPods, you still have the wired ones. Well, put on something, damn it. Put yourself in a better mood. It sucks being you right now. And I get it. Don't be like Eeyore. Oh, my hero. No one loves me. Don't be that guy. Nobody cares about that guy. I'll be honest with you. You're looking for attention. You're not going to get it, so chill the hell out. Let's pay attention. Start investing in something. Start changing your life. Start doing something. The same shit every day is going to drive you nuts. Never mind it being the actual definition of insanity. So doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results, well, that's not happening. So we do look like we can be breaking out of this correction that I kind of set up here. It's a daily as you're paying attention. Each day represents creating new lower lows. It's getting a little concerning. But if you pay attention here, this is the resistance level, the top of the wick here. is above here. So really, major resistance expected right here around the 1143. So this is ICP. I don't mind doing it right away. This is very undervalued. There's a few of them like that. And we're waiting for this correction. There's something called perhaps an ABC-like correction, a falling wedge. Daily, it's really crazy to see it. But if you watch and pay attention to what is going on in the longer thing here, there's a gap that's going to get filled for ICP. There's resistance that comes through. I believe 1143 will be the biggest one of them all as far as resistance pulling back and coming through. But it's very important to watch it because the trend right now is down and not many people do get it. So until we change that trend to the downside and we do finally break out and get a confirmation above the price of $8.50 for this is for ICP. And remember, none of it's financial advice. This gentleman twice as nice. We break about $8.50, excuse me. That's about when I'm going to really turn my head and go, oh, wait a minute. ICP is really going to be doing something soon. This could be a trend reversal flip totally through this area. So pay close attention to that. 1143, I expect major resistance no matter what is happening. And that's all I'm trying to allude to here on that spot. So pay attention to that as well. But these two levels are very important. So ICP, I do love. Big cup and handle on the daily here. Don't have to change too many different charts, but you do see it. Big cup and handle forming when that trend does happen. And obviously that's what will happen. And then we will get the rejection down probably all the way to 1143. Again, you get another opportunity to buy it. Even though you may have said, well, what the hell? I sold, Pete, and it came all the way back up and through, but there'll be some resistance somewhere following through here. So they just won't go straight parabolic unless the FOMO is real. So it can be real. And as you can see what happened. What happened, guys? Ladies and gentlemen, we talked a few days ago and I said, what? The I Trust shares for BlackRock being approved was fake. And what happened? Well, this is what happened. This is exactly what happened this day. See this day? What is the day? Well, go back to our videos. October 16th of 2023. And I said to everybody, this was false news, be careful. But I said, you know what? This is exactly what we needed to trigger the bulls back in town. The bulls are back in town. I know I sound foolish, but I get excited because I'm thinking about this. And this is what's happening, right? The bulls are back in town. We're getting to the top of this week. We need to break it. That's 31,500. It's like a broken record here. But this is what happened. We got triggered, and now the FOMO triggered us back. We're in, guys. We're in. So we needed this to start. There was enough bad news. There was enough problems into the system here. Even Solana. Look at Chainlink, guys. Look at Chainlink. It's driving me nuts. It was going all the way to $10. It's back. Chainlink, we were talking about this happening. Here we are. It's crazy how it works. I said be careful because we could come all the way back up. Sell about $12.30. And please hit the like button. We have a hard time doing that. The fill of the gap here for Chainlink parabolically to the opposite end here as you got the fall. You could see I said once we break out the $8.17, we are going to start getting a movement to the upside. Well, guess what? Cha-ching, here it is. So Chainlink showing you perfect what I think can happen. Best case scenario right now for a huge cup and handle is, well, we got 120% move roughly for Chainlink. But right now I'm going to pay attention to the 50% move, right? 50% isn't bad. So if you can get 50% on your money, get the next 2 days down, and then get another leg up, that's what the next resistance level is going to be. So pay attention to that. I told you I'm not your financial advisor, but there is room to grow. Even on the oscillator is showing me that. So pretty excited right now. We got Chainlink, Polygon Matic doing something similar. Look at that. So far, the 21% we said, but we could get all the way to 76 cents. That's where I'll be paying close attention. And if we are going all the way to the top of this wick, you will really pay close attention to about $1.55, where that will be major resistance even as well. But we're talking about further down the road. But total crypto market cap, been a long time since we've seen 1.16 trillion. Don't have too many other things for you. Want to go maybe to some of the traditional markets, some other things. If you pay attention, we called this, and I said, pay attention to what is going on with the S&P. We will start to break down. It will come through if we don't hit the support level around the 42.28. And this is what's happening, guys. We're exactly doing that. Flipping old resistance into support. Still very bearish. Double top M formations coming down. We will continue to do so. Get a little pop up and then continue to go down. These are dead cat bounces. So S&P looking to come all the way through. Get us a shock here down to the side of maybe 38.82. A lot of people won't believe me until it happens. I know. It gets kind of crazy. But the S&P there, that is wild. Looking at some things, though. Even got Cardano making some moves. Almost 27 cents. Once we find out what's going on, right? We got to get above the 30-something cents here. This is going to be a problem for a while. So won't be getting no reversal, trend flip, or anything in that area. We got ways to go. So if you're looking at Cardano, yes, it's getting annoying, but pay attention. The price here for the buy area for the daily, I like very much. We're getting a slight little correction here. People are selling little old resistors, but we will pop through and make them feel like they made a mistake. So once we get to the 30 cents, Cardano may do anything at that point in time. Thank you so much, Kaplunk, excuse me, for coming into the super chat. I do see you in there. Thank you so much. So we're just going over a couple crypto assets, some of the traditional markets, perhaps DXY, even finding a double top here, as you see, may happen. 107 topped out, and we'll see if that keeps going down. I think that's what's going to happen. We talked about China dumping the U.S. Treasuries, right? We know much about that now, and we are going to start seeing, you can only manipulate the price to the upside as long as you can, and then you will see a difference in change here. So we're going to start seeing that. As you can see, each cycle shows here up and down movement. Well, guess what? We've been going up for a while. There is obviously showing some action of this dying down. You can see the peaks, how they're getting less, and it's showing how the DXY is actually dying down. So that's what's happening. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Solano, Yamama, could go all the way to $36. We'll see what happens there. You have old resistance here coming in from November of 2022. This is almost 2 years now. So, I mean, 1 year, excuse me, for 2023. But till that date. So we'll see what happens, how important that may be. $36, 32. We'll see whether resistance is already showing. But like I said, another leg up. We could finally break through that resistance here of 32.64 for Solana. Let's see what happens there. A lot of things going on. Even Ethereum was coming down in this channel here. Are we going to get the fall that we've been getting, hitting resistance in this ascending channel? I believe so. So would I sell right now? I'm not really going to get too worried about it. There are probably some YouTubers saying, hey, sell, and they sound like they're a genius. It's just hitting resistance. Because when you sell, and they're going to go, yeah, I bought back in, and it's going to come all the way up through here, this is what's going to happen. And you're going to be like, oh, what the fuck is going on? This is called manipulation. This is called how the whales get richer. Yeah, you'll think that you're in a panic mode. It'll come down here. What's happening? Oh, here's the true fall, and we may actually reverse that trend. So we're waiting for 1790 for reversal. Obviously, 1925 is going to be huge resistance on top of that, but if we do get there, huge cup and handle. You can see it right here. So pay close attention to what is happening in the market. This is Ethereum. I am obviously not your financial advisor. I do not have a crystal ball, but sometimes when we're in the bull market, they wonder if I do. That's your cup and handle, and that's what's expected to kind of happen. So maybe not precise, but if it does happen, you will think that I do have a crystal ball, because these kind of things have happened in the past. Check our channel out. It's a very old channel, as far as I feel. We're not getting enough attention. One day we're going to, and if we don't, well, at least we still help the people that we have now. So looking at the cup and handle, like I said, big deal for Ethereum. 1925 is the peak of that cup. If we came all the way down to 1790 after that 1925, everyone would be scared. It'd be major resistance, what I expect. Finally breaking that price. You can see how many times we've hit it. How old is it? It's very old, the resistance for Ethereum. We're going to get ready to go now, but April 23 of this year. So we're talking about possibly a 6.5, 6 months, 7 months of resistance. Are we going to break it? I'm hoping so. So we'll see what happens. We are testing back up in that range for Ethereum to break through. I'm very excited for this moment. My name is Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. I hope if you're watching this channel, you do eventually come on in and hit the subscribe and hit that bell all notification, because it's so important. $100 raffling off in the next week or so. We're going to do it for the month of November. Somebody said, hey, let's do it where we give 50 away to someone and then 50 away to someone else. If you have a PayPal account, you are in the runnings. If you have a Cash App account, you are in the runnings. So right now, those are the two particular ones we're working on. If you comment your PayPal account now, let me know it's PayPal. If you do your Cash App, obviously there's a $ in front of it. In the month of November, we are going to focus on the people who have been here for at least a year or longer. That's going to be the first raffle. The next one will be anyone that's subscribed. You can subscribe right now. You can subscribe in the future. Subscribe next week. Say that 3 times fast. Good luck. We're going to give that out, a raffle to someone, and you're just going to win money, sick dough and crypto. When we get like 5,000 subscribers, we have a surprise for more. But the problem is we can't get there right now. We're stuck at 1.529 subscribers. Be the 1.53. That's what we're waiting for. 1.53K subscribers. That'd be fantastic. when we get to 5,000, though, we do have a big surprise for some of our followers. We've had a lot of support, a lot of comments. I appreciate every one of you. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope that the content, some of the detailed information does help once in a while. We do like to joke. We like to have fun. Like to listen to music, right? Music inspires everybody. I'm sure you do. And if you don't, maybe you need to start thinking about that. So have a great day. My name is Wall Street Pete, Sickdo and Crypto. None of it's financial advice, right? We just talk about some of my strategies, some of my thoughts. Crypto is the future. I hate to tell you, not all crypto is going to make it. A lot of them are going to go to zero. But if you have Bitcoin in your life, there's something that Bitcoin's doing that really impresses me. So please, we're getting a lot of short videos out there for you. If you could just remember to hit the like button on all the videos we do. We try very hard to put a lot of research and information and time into these videos. And we would really appreciate if you could hit that like button. Thank you so much. EA15, nice to see you. This is the end of the video. I apologize. You're reaching the end of the video, so that's why it's so important to hit that bell all notification so you can get in the middle. But a lot of people work on Mondays. You'd be surprised. So I do understand that as well. So hopefully you're watching it day, night, whenever it may be. We're giving you some good information. You have a wonderful day, and we'll see you hopefully in an evening video coming shortly. Take care, guys.